I was thinking about this after class last period. I was driving home and I thought, I was thinking to myself, man, I hope my message of these different forest types actually carries through to you guys. Because part of what I realize I have a difficulty in this class is I have a visual image of what all these sites look like. Because I've been to them and I've seen them and I'm sort of, knowledgeable of these places. Some of you may not have been to these places, right? And I know I'm throwing a lot at you this class with history and geography and landforms and all that stuff. And then if you add on to that, the fact that maybe you haven't been to these parks that I'm mentioning, or you haven't been to some of these ecoregions, it may be hard to have a visual memory of what it actually looks like to be there. That's one of the challenges of this class that I want to seek to overcome, is how to do a better job of getting you there and getting you into the field. And I'm going to continue to work on that. We won't solve it for this class, but maybe for the next class we will. And I certainly would appreciate any feedback or thoughts that you might have on how to do that in a way that makes sense. So if it's difficult for some of you, and maybe not for all of you, some of you have seen these places, but if it's difficult for you to relate and close your eyes, like for me, I'm a visual person, I have a visual memory. I can close my eyes and be transformed to any place that I've been in my history, and I can see it. And then I relate what the landforms look like, what the soil moisture is like. And because I know the species, and I can tell you all the trees and the plants as they would be assembled into this landscape. Now, what I can't tell you, because I'm not that super knowledgeable about animal communities, is I can't get into the specific details of, all these birds should be in this place and all these insects should be in this place. I know enough to be dangerous, right? But if I were, truly, a really diverse naturalist, I would also strive to want to know those animal communities and overlay on that as well. So